My problem is that the Wi-Fi signal is very weak in my room, due to a wall obstruction. Therefore I will just use a wired connection from the router going to my laptop. My laptop does not have any RJ45 connector, so I have to use a USB 3.0 Ethernet adapter. I bought this cheap 3-port hub, high-speed Ethernet adapter from online shop. I will use this to connect my laptop to the internet. Let us try opening the package to see what is inside. This is the adapter, which is pretty much the same as the picture in the package. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports on top. This will be convenient if you have many USB devices, such as keyboard, mouse and even speaker you want to connect. It also has one RJ45 connector on one of its side. You can maximize the speed of this adapter if you connect it to a USB 3.0 port in your laptop. This is the model of this device, SL008. It is a straightforward adapter with simple design and no power LED indicator. This is my setup. I already connected the adapter to a cable connected to my router in the other room. The adapter is connected to a USB 3.0 port in my laptop. This adapter is plug and play, and will be automatically detected and installed by your system. This is the Internet Speed Test 1, using the laptop built-in Wi-Fi. The high-speed Ethernet adapter is not connected. My Wi-Fi speed is only at 0.33 Mbps, both for download and upload, if I used Wi-Fi of my laptop. The speed is low due to walls obstructing the router signal. This is the Internet Speed Test 2, using high-speed Ethernet adapter. Internet speed has increased to more than 35 Mbps when I connected the adapter. This is a significant improvement. Let us also test the USB transfer speed. I will use this USB 2.0 flash drive. I will now insert it to one of the port of this adapter. I will transfer about 360 megabytes of file from my laptop to the USB flash drive. The speed of 8.9 Mbps is at par when I connect the USB flash drive directly to a USB 3.0 port in the laptop. The transfer speed is a little bit slow, because this is a USB 2.0 flash drive. As a summary, why buy this adapter? The reasons are, number 1, the internet speed is superb. Number 2, you'll get 3 extra USB ports. Number 3, it is cheaper compared to other available adapter in the market. So why not buy this adapter? What I can think is there is no power LED indicator. You may find it hard to check if it is already turned on. and it has simplistic and of course, cheap build. If you are on a budget, this is highly recommended. However, reliability is not yet tested since this review was created after 3 weeks of use of this adapter. That is all, and I do hope I helped you make up your decision on this adapter. Please give me likes, leave comments and subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. That's all, and bye bye.